Hey, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to embed not a Google map but a Google Street View into your WordPress site, which is really cool. So to embed a Google Street View into your WordPress site, it's pretty easy to do. I'm here looking at Moscow, and this is actually Red Square, and I'm going to see this little guy at the top of my slider bar, the zoom bar. And if I grab this little guy onto my map, he's going to start hovering over the map. And anywhere where there's Street View available, you're going to see these blue lines appear. If there are photos available, you're going to see the little blue circles appear. But I'd like Street View with the actual blue lines. So I'm going to go to, let's just go right into the center of Red Square and see what happens. I'm going to drop the guy right there. And in a second, it should take me to Street View. And now here I am. I can see the whole street, and I can now start browsing around and walking around Red Square. It looks like there's some sort of construction going on. But I can twirl around 360 degrees. I can go forward. I can go back. I can head towards St. Basil's Cathedral. So let's say I wanted this view. I wanted the Lenin's Tomb, St. Basil's Cathedral, and the clock tower all in my street view. So now all I need to do is click on the link, customize and preview embedded map again. And I think it's thinking. Let's see. Sorry, I had to readjust a little bit there. Firefox was giving me problems, so I'm in Safari now, which is a good tip. Anytime that you're having a problem in one browser, it's always better to, before you start thinking things aren't working, try another browser and see if you get different results. So I'm here in Safari, and I'm going to click on the link, and now I'm going to click on Customize and Preview Embedded Map. And in Safari, this works perfectly fine. And now I can choose the size that I want if I want a different custom size. So let's go for another 800 by 600. And see what happens. So we get a nice big image, and I'm pretty happy with that. So let's embed that into our site as well. So I'll scroll over here to copy and paste the HTML into the website, and I'll click somewhere in that box and copy it all with Command or Control A, Command and Control C to copy, and now we'll go back to our blog site. So here's that blog page for the ring cities, and if I wanted to add another map, I could do that right here. I could just edit this page right now, click on edit, it'll bring me to this page. Now I could paste that HTML right into the page, but as I said, it might break, so instead I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to add a global content block, add new, I'm going to call this Kremlin, and I'll call that an iframe again. Paste my text, paste my code in there, and hit save. And that's basically it. I'll go back to my post, and I'll